Hello all, welcome again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. As promised, I was going to show you how I did make the side table, a full video, and this is the video that start from the start to the finish. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that we can fully understand all the steps, measurements and material used during this process. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos and liking them. I really do appreciate your continued support. So the first thing that I decided to do was measure the part that I'm going to put the drawers, and also the part that I'm going to be putting a door, because this side table was the one of the design that I normally don't put the furniture legs, because I normally make different designs of these side tables. Like this one, it doesn't have the legs, and I'm going to be posting another video of side tables which have legs and give you the measurements. So for this one, the total measurements of this side table was 2 by 2, that is 2 feet by 2 feet. Yeah, and that part that I'm cutting out, you'll see why I'm cutting it that way, because I'm going to be joining these two pieces together, because this is the middle part of the side table, and also I have the sideboards, the ones that I'm going to be making for the main frame. I don't know if you are getting me, but that is basically what I'm doing. But if you keep following the video, you'll understand everything that I'm saying. So the total measurements for this side table was 2 by 2, that is 2 feet by 2 feet, and then the depth I used 14 inches. Yeah, I did use 14 inches. And then for this one, as I told you, I'm going to cut them so that I can use them like this. And I'm using a 3/4 MDF board, and I did use a lipping tape to do the binding or covering the edges of the boards. I use the same color white to do the binding. Then I did use those corner joiners and a 1/2 inch screws to join them, because I didn't want screws to be seen on top of the side table. So I'm going to be using these ones to join and maintain a neat work. So you can use these ones to join the pieces if you don't want visible nails. Yeah, and then after that, I'm going to be joining them, and I'll keep showing you all the steps and all materials, and I will try giving you the measurements on every part that I'm making on this side table. So now you can see where that joinery goes. So that is basically why I did cut it, so that I can partition the inner side of the side table. And then you can see that is 1 feet. One side was exactly 1 feet, and the other one, you can just minus 1 feet from 2 feet. You will remain with 1 feet. And then these pieces of MDF, you can see there are 3. So if there are 3, you will say 3 times 3/4, and then after you get the 3/4, you will know the measurement of that part that is remaining. Doing this, you will need to be very good in maths and measurements. Then I'm still using the corner joiners, as you can see, because I only put them at the inner side of the side tables and keep the side table neat. This is the lower part, the bottom part of the side table. So this one, you can just do the normal joinery by drilling and putting the 2 inch or 2.5 or 1.5 screw nails. It depends with the nails that we have, but for me, I normally use 2 inch nails to do this one. You just make an hole and then pass the screw inside the holes. Yeah, so that is basically what I did here. Anyway, if this is the kind of videos that you normally like or you enjoy watching, or you want to learn one or two, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So now the other thing that I did was making 2 drawers, because I'm going to be making 2 drawers and 1 door. So these are the measurements that I was using. So now, because the depth of the side table is 14, I needed some pieces of wood, these ones, 2 of them for the sides, that are 12 inches, because you cannot put 14, because when you put 14 the measurements will be a little bit tricky. So I did use 12 inches for the 2 pieces, and then the ones at the middle, to get the measurements, you just measure the part that you are going to put the side tables. You measure them, you measure that part, and then you take that measurement minus those 2 pieces of 3/4. So 3/4 plus 3/4 minus the measurements, the measurements that you got minus 2 3/4, those represent the 2 sideboards, and then 1 inch and 1 inch, those are the measurements for these drawer rails, because one drawer rail is normally 1 inch. So because you are going to be putting on each side, so you will be minusing from the space you measured, you will minus the 2 inch for the drawers, and then 2 3/4 for the sideboards, so that we can get the measurement of the middle pieces of wood to join the join the drawer. And then after that, you just put your drawer rails. As you can see, I normally use this same MDF to put at the bottom like that, and then put the drawer on top of it, so that I can get an allowance of the drawer to move in and out without any frictions or scrubbing the bottom part. And then the piece of wood that you saw me putting there, that one I normally put that one depending if I'm putting the faces of the drawer inside or to flash outside the side tables or TV stand or anything that I'm making. But for this one, the faces, I wanted them to flash inside. That way I did put that piece of wood there to represent the face of the side tables, and we'll see why I'm saying that. So keep just watching the video so that you can understand everything that I'm telling you that. So you can see now the part that I left, that one, you can see the face goes in there. So now for the faces, you can use screws to attach them to the drawer. So you can just drill from the inside and attach them, the 2 pieces, that is the drawer and the face. That hole that I did make there is for this handle. It depends if you are using this one piece of handle or the other ones normally has 2 holes. So for this one, I was just going to be using this one. As I told you earlier, I'm going to be uploading another video of a different design of the side table, so that we can get to know a different design, because normally these things depends with the design that you are making. So the other side table that I'm going to be uploading next will be a different one with different measurements and different design and how to make it. And then this one, you need to make these holes for the corner. These are door hinges. I normally use hydraulic door hinges. I don't know what you call in your country or where you come from, but you can call them door hinges or malfa. So you can use any name from the above. Then you can use the screws to attach them, and then after that you just screw the door at that part that you are going to be putting the door. But for this one, I had to put the door at the bottom, 2 drawers on top, and then this one door. And almost the side table is almost ready. Now the finishing is just covering with plywoods the back of the whole side table. and then covering the bottom part of the side tables, so that you can place your thing there. And then after that, I'm going to be showing you the final reveal or the final look of the side table. You can see now it has a plywood at the bottom so that you can put your things there. If you have any other question, you can just comment and I'll get back to you. But as I promised, I'm going to be uploading another video of a different design of a side table, so that you can just get ideas on how to tackle or make these side tables. This one, as I told you, I'm not putting the legs because this is a different design, and the other one that I'm going to be uploading will be having some legs, and the measurements are different. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video till this far. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with the friends and family. Tell me what you think about this video. See you in my next videos.